Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this Bob the Builder Mash and Mold Bridge Builder. This includes two colors of moldable play sand. We have a wood color and a tar color. Mold, build, demolish! This set includes Shifter and Bob. Two custom mold trays. Demolish and rebuild. Push the B to demolish and use the mold press garage. Let's open it up. Look, it's Shifter. And Bob the Builder. We have two custom mold trays. They have different construction material on them. We have some black moldable play sand. We also have this light brown moldable play sand. There's 6 different molds on the bridge. Let's watch them explode. Shifter has some molds too. We have a hammer and a wrench. He can also lift loads up and down. So fun! He's a fun forklift. The garage has lots of different molds too. It's got 3 different molds on the handle. It's got some molds on each side. So many things you can make. We also have molds underneath. Let's put some sand in. And we've made some bricks. So fun! We can start putting those right here on our road. Watch Shifter roll right over it. Oh no! We demolished the bridge! The bridge builder can connect to the construction site. Let's see how that works. The mold and press garage can use any of our trays. Tiny loves working hard at the job site. Where is everybody? Hey, Dizzy! Hey, Shifter! Where are you guys? Hey, Bob! Oh no! Dizzy, don't sit there! What do you mean, Bob? It's a great place to sit. Whoa! Whoa! Maybe not so great. Hey Bob, I'm here too. Hey Shifter, don't sit there. What do you mean? No, really Shifter, you shouldn't sit there. What do you mean? It's a great place to sit. Whoa! Whoa, maybe not. I heard we need to build a bridge. That's right, I need your guys' help to build a bridge. Yay! Woo, 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 woo. Let's get started. Whoa. Hey guys, where are you going? Come back. Ah, I have to do it all myself. Oh no. Good thing my hands can fit these massive, gigantic tools. Mana, mana, do, 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 do. Mana, mana, do, 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 do. Oh, gosh, I really need to get started doing my job. I think this looks perfect for building bridges. Looking good. Where's Shifter? Right here. Are you ready for me to carry some stuff? Sure thing. Can you take that to the bridge? Yes, I can. Hey, Dizzy, we need some more material. Right here, Bob. Wah! Okay, let's lift it up. Can we do it? Yes, we can. In we go. Push away, push away, push away. I think it's ready to come out. Easy peasy. Clean it up a bit on the edges. And we're ready for Shifter. Here I am. You ready for me? Sure thing, Shifter. Let's take this one and then I think our bridge is gonna be done. Yay! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.